Hey everyone, I am here today with my Delilah box for March 2020, and I wanted to go ahead and unbox it for you. Like every month, I always get a Delilah box, and really it's a subscription box, but it doesn't actually come in a box. It comes in a beautiful hand-sewn cotton drawstring bag. And this month, it's so cute. They're like little mixers and little vintage things, and they're just adorable. So I love this bag a lot. You get a different bag each month that everything comes in. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what actually came in this box. So the first thing that actually came was a little pair of earrings, which is really cute. So it's not just biblical fiction. You also get like little tidbits of things for yourself too. So let's see here. Oh yeah, this is what actually tells you what came in the box. So March Delilah box, like Flames in the Night by Connelly Cassette. This is a brand new book, guys. This is a new release. This just came out like a month ago. Of Mess and Moxie, that is another book. Gardenia Goat's Milk Soap, a lavender bag, wildflower seeds packet, a notepad and pen, you always get that every month, earrings, a decal with instructions, the cloth drawstring bag that I was just telling you about, and then the brochure that you get every month with a little bit of candy. So I want to go ahead and show you the rest of that, what just came out. So this is the book for March 2020. It is like Flames in the Night. This is the very last installment in the Cities of Refuge. This is a great book. I can't wait to read this one. I have read the rest in the entire series, and it's a really, really good series. So I'm really excited to see this one. And I'm really impressed that it's a new release book too, because, I mean, I think it just came out in March. So we're also just now getting it. So this is like a brand new book that literally just came out. Every month you usually get a notepad. So that's the notepad that I got this month. And then you always get a second book every month. And usually it's nonfiction sometimes. And this one is Of Mess and Moxie, Wrangling Delilah Out of This Wild and Glorious Life. In this one is pretty much telling you that there are new revisions to Delilah box. They created a new name for themselves. It's called Grace and Delilah. So they sell the subscription box for Delilah box, and then also candles, soaps, and any the previous books that you might have missed from any other boxes. So this is pretty cool. That's why their name is kind of different now. So Grace and Delilah, this is a little brochure, and inside it'll tell you like a sort of like a devotional. It's really cute, and I really enjoy reading those every single month. This is the lavender packet that I got. It smells really good. I already opened it and I had to smell it. It smells really, really good. A little packet of wildflower seeds. I love the little old-fashioned design on it. I can't wait to plant these in my garden with my daughter. Goat's milk soap. I'm pretty sure that that's homemade, so that's actually really neat. And let's see here. We always get a pen every single month too, so Delilah box pen. You always get that. And then you got a decal. Let me see. We got a decal this month too. And it tells you how to actually use the decal. So here's the decal, and then it tells you how to actually use the thing. And then you got some little candies. There's some hard candy and then some Smarties. Oh, and then, I'm sorry, there's bubble gum in here too. Ooh, I should probably hide that from my daughter. Well, that is everything that came in the March 2020 Delilah box. This is a really neat box, you guys. If you really like biblical fiction like I do, I would suggest checking it out. She's still shipping everything, even with all this craziness with the virus going on. And if you're practicing social distancing, you know, this is This is a great little special treat to actually get in the mailbox. It gives you something to look forward to, gives you something to do. You know, just from this one box alone, you can have a nice relaxing bath with the soap. You can, you know, get outside and do a little gardening, give you something to do with the flowers. You've got 2 great books to read. You know, the lavender is a stress reliever, so, I mean, if you get stressed, you can, actually smelling lavender actually really does help you. So, if you're stressed out. So, this is a really great box. It's not just for biblical fiction. You also get little things for your me time, too, in this box. So, and every month is a little different. Like I said, you'll get the pen and the notepad every month, and then the devotional, and then the cotton drawstring bag. But what kind of books you get, you know, you get a biblical fiction book and then usually a nonfiction book. But which ones? She's trying to do new releases of the biblical fiction books. So I believe the April book is supposed to be Daughter of Cana by Angela Hunt, and that's a brand new book too that's coming out, I believe, next month as well. So these are really starting to be some great books that are coming in the box itself. So, and it's really fun to look at the little surprises like earrings and the goat's milk soap. So if you guys really like biblical fiction, I highly suggest checking this box out. I know the lady that actually puts the boxes together. Her name is Taylor, and she's very sweet. She's a widow, and she really enjoys doing the most that she can to really make her customers love the box. You know, from making handmade soap to she sews these cotton drawstring bags herself and ships these all out herself every month. It's just her doing all this. So if you guys really want to support a small business and have something fun to look forward to every month, I highly suggest the Delilah box.